Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do VLOOKUP in Excel. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump into the tutorial. Well, as you can see, here I have these 3 cells. In my case, I will do this tutorial with product and code, but you can do it with any of them. The first thing we will do is click here, then go to Data, Data Validation, and Data Validation again. Here, you will select List. Then, click on Source, and select everything that is inside Products. In your case, you will do it with the row that you want. Okay, as you can see, if you click here, this function will be available. But we are not done yet. You will select any of them. Then, click on this cell and type the following. And click here. Then, type comma and select all. Now you will have to choose the cell you want. In my case, it is code, so it will be number 3. Then type comma and 0 in my case. Close parenthesis and press enter. And that's it. If you choose any of them, you will see that it will work correctly. If you found the video useful, leave me a like. Thanks for watching.